Today's objective, assemble the block. Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to be putting back my motor together. I got everything back from the machine shop and the block is honed and it's ready to go. It's clean. So today, putting together the block. Let's go.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me.
So, before I start this, I wanted to give a disclaimer. I am not a professional engine builder, and whatever information I give you here today, if you go and try it and it fails, it is not my fault. What I may do might not work for someone else. Your specs might be different to my specs, and that is the reason why I'm not actually putting any specs. If you want information, I am willing to give you information. If you want to know, what something ended up being, I have no problem sharing that. But I just don't want people to feel that if they follow exactly what I am doing to a T, including specs, that they're going to come out with an engine just like mine. That's not true. Like, every engine is different, and that's why specs have to be checked. That is what blueprinting is. It is specifically to that block, that head. Another thing, my method of doing something may not be the correct way to do it. I am just doing this to the best of my knowledge and what I have been doing over the years. I just don't want to be liable for anyone doing the wrong thing and causing a catastrophe on their end. And that is the purpose of this disclaimer. All right, so now that that is out of the way, let's get on with the show. I've already assembled the piston onto the rod. I'm gonna be checking the gap in the rings. Once I do that, I'm going to assemble the rings onto the pistons. top rings, and fortunately I don't have to file them. These rings are considered as no file rings, so they are supposed to be within spec. So I get lucky, I don't have to file them. They are spot on, exactly on the spec that I want them to be. So now I'm gonna check the second ring. When you are installing piston rings, the marking normally, let me say normally because there might be some case where this is not true, but normally where you see the markings of the part number, that part number goes in the up direction. Now that the rings are on the pistons, I'm going to put the crank in the block. Once the crank is in the block, then I will be installing the pistons into the block. yes, I know this ring compressor is not the best. Unfortunately, I forgot to order an ARP or Wiseco one like I wanted to, and this was the only one that was quickly available, so I had to work with it.